Hood shocks are a common wear item that are easily replaced in a matter of minutes. Installation is literally a snap. The green arrows show the two hood shocks. It's recommended that you change them one at a time and be sure you support the open hood with a broomstick or have a friend hold it. Shown here is the lower attachment point for the hood shock. Shown here is the upper attachment point for the hood shock. Place a towel or shop rag over the sheet metal to protect the paint and use a large flathead screwdriver to pry the lower hood shock off the ball pivot. Make sure the hood is secured well before continuing. There are also small release clips on the ends of the shock that you can pry out using a pick or a small screwdriver. This will reduce the amount of leverage needed to get the shock off. Next, remove the upper connection point for the shock. Place a dab of white lithium grease on both ball pivot points prior to installing the new shock. This helps keep the point lubricated. Now position the lower hood shock over the lower ball pivot and pop it into place. Just use the palm of your hand. Keep in mind the orientation of the hood shock. The smaller diameter rod should face the bottom. Maneuver the shock into place over the upper ball pivot and pop it into place with the palm of your hand. Shown here are the attachment points for the hood shock on the R55, 56, and 57 models, green arrows. Support each side of the hood before popping the old shock off and carefully pop the new shock on. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.